Hello web workers and YouTubers, this is Amar and welcome to this free list building training video. Stick with me to the end of the video and I will give you the whole funnel for free to build your buyers list and make affiliate commissions. Actually, let me just show you what you will be getting by the end of this video. You'll be getting this high converting squeeze page, this monetized download page, and the lead magnet itself, or the freebie with your affiliate links embedded into it, and a lot more. So before I go on, let me just ask you kindly to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and activate the notifications so you will not miss my future videos. So in this video we'll be learning how you can start earning affiliate commissions while building your own buyers list. So we all know that list building is one of the powerful tools to make money online, and this is why I wanted to make this special video and give you a whole funnel that you can start building your own list. So what we need usually to build a list is, the first thing is the lead magnet. The lead magnet is when you have to give away something valuable in exchange of the email address of the prospect. So this can be your own product, and also if you do not have your own product, you can purchase a PLR product, add value to it, change the graphics, and make it more valuable. But today you will be getting the lead magnet for free from me, and in that lead magnet, the PDF document, there will be your affiliate links. So if anyone from your prospects clicks on those links and makes a purchase, you will be getting a commission. Second thing we need is the pages. Most of the people I spoke to have issues, technical issues, setting up the funnel pages. So today I will give you the high quality squeeze page. It's a high converting one, the lead magnet as I told you earlier, and also a fully monetized thank you page. So you don't worry about the pages at all. All you have to do is upload them to your server and start using them. The third thing is the autoresponder, which is the software that hosts the information of your prospects and subscribers, and also it allows you to send automated emails. So this is a very powerful tool in list building and the commission generation. So if you want to invest in a paid service, I recommend highly GetResponse, but if you want to start with a free service, you can go ahead and try MailChimp or MailerLite, which are both great services. Now the fourth thing is the traffic, or targeted traffic. We want to target people that are interested in what we are offering, in the lead magnet that we are offering for free in exchange of the email address. Well, in this case you can use solo ads, you can start a blog, you can start a YouTube channel, participate actively in forums, use banner ads, etc. Now let's see how all this works. Personally, I use this technique here. So I start thinking about the need of my customer, of my prospect, and then I build a lead magnet and a thank you page where my prospect will be able to download what I will be offering. And I link, of course, this thank you page with offers, affiliate offers that are related to the freebie that I'm giving away. So I know that this prospect has a problem, and I can solve it by giving him a tip or freebie, or any kind of education that he will be downloading from my thank you page. And by the way, this is the thank you page that you will be getting later. And also I will recommend some products or services in the same page. So here is exactly where I start. I start from the problem of the customer, the need of the customer, and I bring the solution here. And then in order for the customer or the prospect to get this, he needs to, of course, give me his email address on this page here that is called the squeeze page or the landing page. And this is exactly what you will be getting for free. So this is the high converting squeeze page. One very important element in the squeeze page is the autoresponder opt-in form here at the bottom that will take the information, the email address, and put it into the autoresponder software, like I told you before, GetResponse, for example. Why? Because I'll be sending offers, multiple offers and multiple education and value to that prospect, and I might generate affiliate commissions here. So this is like a passive income thing. So we generate multiple commissions from the same prospect. And of course the next step will be sending targeted traffic to that squeeze page. Once uploaded to your server and working fine, we can start generating traffic or sending traffic to that squeeze page in order to get signups and get those prospects into our autoresponder. So to generate traffic, there are multiple techniques, and the targeted traffic usually is brought from the search engines, the blogs, the forums, from YouTube, and sometimes from traffic exchanges and viral mailers. So this is about the way this system works. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing that and activating the notifications so you can benefit from my next videos. Now if you go to the description below this video, you will find a link to this page here where you will be able to find more information about what I am offering here. So this is a video where I explain the system, and after that this is the squeeze page that you will be getting, the monetized thank you page, the lead magnet, which is a PDF document of around 37 pages, and inside the PDF there are affiliate links that will be yours. Of course, when you ask me for this, I will embed your affiliate links into the PDF and send it to you as soon as possible. You will be also getting a set of graphics to put on your website or blog. You can use them to promote on social media, etc. I will be giving you also a set of banners, the popular sizes to promote, and I give you a sneak peek about the offers that you will be making commissions from. So there are 7 offers that you will be making commissions from inside the freebie, the PDF, and also from the download or thank you page. So for example, for this offer here, you will be getting 100% commission, which is $7. Here is 50% commissions, $8.50. Here it's 50% commissions, $13.50, etc. So I'm just giving you, and you can check these offers individually if you'd like to. Now what I'm giving you also, and this is very important, is a master resell right license. So you will be able to do multiple things with what I'm giving you here, and like this you will be working with peace of mind. So this is actually a win-win system, and please, I'm asking you to not delay, because I will be giving away a limited number of copies, and then I will sell this for $17. So all you have to do is put your email address here and then submit. You'll be taken to a thank you page. Well, before that, actually you need to confirm your email, and please check the promotion tab on your email. After you confirm your address, you'll be taken to the download page where you will be able to download all the stuff we spoke about. So that's it for today. It was a pleasure speaking to you, and I wish I will see you soon on the next video. Take care and stay safe.